I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to jump in. Sign into Notebooklm and grant document access so it can read your files. Next, create a new notebook and upload PDFs, slides, or text. Dragging multiple files speeds things up. Once uploaded, tell Notebooklm the scope, full document, selected pages, or only your highlighted sections. This limits noise and focuses retrieval. While it ingests content, you can name the notebook and add brief metadata to help later searches and context. This makes follow-up queries far more precise. Once your content is loaded, organize it into sections or tags so Notebooklm retrieves the right passages quickly. Use system instructions and 1 or 2 brief examples to set the tone, depth, and output format you want. This aligns results with your needs. Then ask targeted questions, starting broad and narrowing with follow-ups to drill into specifics. Make sure to adjust context length or include explicit page ranges when precision matters. This reduces irrelevant citations and improves answer quality. Finalize by refining outputs. Ask for a concise summary, an actionable plan, or alternate explanations to validate understanding. When satisfied, export notes or copy results into your preferred docs and link back to source pages for traceability. Integrate extracted data into workflows by tagging and sharing notebooks with collaborators. If Notebooklm gives incorrect or vague answers, revise your prompt to be more specific, increase context length, or re-upload cleaned source files. This single troubleshooting step resolves most retrieval and accuracy problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.